So we're going for a drive. There's a couple fires around here, St. George. There's one pretty close by. It's over by my aunt's house. Chris is over there sitting watching, but we're gonna go take a look. There's a lot of aircraft dumping on it, trying to fight it right now. So, let's see. So here's, from back here by our house, what we're seeing, all the smoke. This guy's coming in. Wow. That's a little intense, huh? That's as close as I can zoom in.
We should raise a little bit and that big plane comes back. That's it.
This is nuts. They are staying so steady.
Oh, yeah,
They've been flying over the house so much. I'm like, what
that red stuff on the hill right there.
the heck is going on? Yeah. Holy crap.
There's still a fire going on there, so they're probably gonna hit that spot again.
Holy cow. This is crazy. Stay out of my video. Chris. He is a big. Wow.
Spread so fast.
Heck.
That's how the house in the corner right there.
Oh,
It's like the N1.
oh my heck. Okay, so we're back home. The fire is close to houses, but it looks like, and the wind's blowing too. It looks like the wind's blowing strong enough to keep the flames away from the houses. And those, carry it carefully. Those airplanes dropping the fire retardant, they aim so good. It was crazy. They were like landing it right on the edge of like where the flames were burning out, like coming towards the houses. Boom, right there. Those guys have such a good aim. Really, very talented guys. So, yeah. I'm gonna keep an ear out, like, you know, how it goes, and I would think structures are gonna be okay, gonna be safe, but wow. Talented people behind, you know, all those controls of those airplanes, and they are just busy on it, hardworking out in this 110-degree weather. It's pretty crazy. See you guys.